Hello everyone, welcome to Navya's Magic Cookbook. Today we are going to share a recipe on how to make Kaju Paneer Masala. So let us begin. First, we will take a pan and add half tablespoon of butter. And once the butter starts melting, we will add 1/4 cup of cashews. And we are going to saute them until they're golden brown. Here, I'm using whole cashews, but you can also use broken cashews. Then, we will add 2 large roughly chopped onions, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, and 1 in ginger. Then, we are going to add 4 to 5 red chilies, which I have soaked in water for 15 minutes. You can also adjust the number of chilies according to your taste. After the onions turn translucent, we are going to add 3 large roughly chopped tomatoes. After sauteing the ingredients, close the lid and let it cook for a few minutes until they turn soft. Once the tomatoes turn soft, turn off the flame and let the masala cool down. Then, take a blending jar and add the prepared masala. For grinding the masala into a smooth paste, we are going to use red chili soaked water. Then, take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of ghee or clarified butter. Once the ghee starts to melt, add half cup of cashews and saute them until they turn golden brown. Once the cashews turn golden brown, we will take them out in a plate. Then, we are going to saute some 250 grams of paneer cubes in the same pan. We are going to gently saute them until they turn golden brown. Once the paneer cubes turn golden brown, we will take them out in the same plate. Then, in the same pan, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil heats up, we are going to add 3 cloves, 1 in cinnamon stick, 1 cardamom, half teaspoon cumin seeds or jeera, and we are going to add the grinded puree and saute them. Then, add some water into the blending jar and add the water into the masala. Then, add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon fennel powder and mix them well. You can adjust the spice according to your taste. Then, close the lid and let it cook until the masala releases its oil. Then, add salt to taste, 1 teaspoon kasturi methi, half teaspoon garam masala powder and mix them well. Once the masala releases its oil, add fried cashews and paneers. Then saute them gently. Then close the lid and let it cook for 2 minutes so that all the kaju and paneer will absorb the masala. Then we are going to garnish our kaju paneer masala with some chopped coriander. If you would like to make the kaju paneer masala much more rich, you can add 1 tablespoon of fresh cream. And now our delicious Kaju Paneer Masala is ready. You can enjoy this masala with chapati, roti, kulcha and many more. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked it. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe.